That concludes our Honk Junior for the night. Thank you so much, guys. I'd like to take a moment out and thank our crew. So I would like to introduce Mr. Michael. He's done all of our sound for this evening. I have Mr. James, who has done all of our lighting. Side by side, I have Mrs. Desiree as our other choreographer. I also have Mrs. Fallon. She was our music director. Mrs. Julie, who is our costume designer and costume manager. And I would also like to thank very much Mrs. Morale and all of the teaching assistants. You guys have been great. Thank you for all the help, for sending out flyers, communicating to you guys, and letting us have this stage time. Also, our director, Andrea, of the show, she could not be here tonight. She is directing another production, but she has done great work with the kids, and I know she's worked wonders. So thank you very much.
Welcome. I'm Mrs. Casas. I'm the 5th grade teacher here at Bishop, and I've had the honor of working with the Starting Arts crew to get this going. What an amazing trip it's been. 12 weeks of rehearsals. Could they have done any better? Round of applause for our body. So this really couldn't be done without you, the parents, agreeing to go on this crazy ride with us. So Bobcats, can you please applaud your parents? Thank you for bringing them to rehearsal and picking them up and feeding them and all the things that they needed to do to get ready for tonight. And also a round warm of applause again for our Starting Arts crew. Really, they have been amazing. They have taken care of their children as if they were their own. Thank you. So, Miss Amanda, thank you. Amber, sorry. This is Amber. And Miss Julie and Miss Desiree. Thank you so much. So appreciate all your work. And we're looking forward